Harihi Om. Namaskar. Hi everyone, I am Baba Saheb Jagta. I welcome you all to my channel Yoga 360 Journey. It is yoga in all dimensions and all paths. Now, we all are friends in this journey. Thanks for watching part 1 to part 12. If you have missed it, then click on the link given in description below. My humble request. If you find these parts helpful and research based, please do subscribe to my channel. In part 12, we have discussed about concept of yogic diet. Let us begin part 13. Sukshma Vyayam, that is exercises from head to toe including eyes. Please watch it till end. Sukshma Vyayam was propagated and designed initially by Maharishi Kartikeyaji Maharaj. This is the oldest element in yoga. Sukshma Vyayam is done before beginning of the asanas. It is a process of warming up our body. It is sequentially worked out on all joints of a body to warm it up. Warming increases the blood flow to the muscles. It reduces danger of injury as every joint gets compatible with the twists and turns. Movement of joints from head to toe is done rhythmically. Inhale when force is put and exhale when force is released. There is no holding of breath at any point of time. We have to mentally concentrate over the joint which is being moved. In this Vyayam, breathing is done through nose. Uniqueness of Sukshma Vyayam is safety from injury and its availability for young and for elderly, everyone. It can be performed by healthy as well as sick. Most important is it covers each organ of the body including eyes. We are going to cover. Please see the slide. Sukshma Vyayam in standing posture. Griva Sanchalan, that is neck movement. Then we will come to head movement. Then Netra Sanchalan, eye movement. Then we will be covering Skanda Sanchalan, shoulder movement. Elbow movements, hand movements, waist movements, that is waist movement, knee movements. Then Sukshma Vyayam in sitting posture, in which we will cover toe movement, ankle movements, knee movements, roving forward and backward, Atta Chakki, action of getting floor on stone chakki, cycling. Sukshma Vyayam lying on back posture, that is Pada Vruttasana. Let us practice now Sukshma Vyayam in standing posture. Griva Sanchalan or neck movement. Neck forward and backward. Do this 8 times. Then another neck sideways. Do this 8 times. Next is clockwise rotation. Now anti-clockwise. lateral movement. Now forward backward. Okay, these are neck movement. Now head movement. Press your hand. Do this 8 times. Now next is coming to eyes, Netra Sanchalan. Up and down. Start. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Come to the center. Now side. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now lateral. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Reverse direction. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left up, right down. Come to the center. Now, clockwise rotation of eyeballs. Right, down, left, up. Right, down, left, up. Right, down, left, up. Right, down, left, up. Now, anti-clockwise. Left, down. Now, up and down. These are Netra Sanchalan. After this, give warmth to your eyes. This is warming of eyes. Now next is Skanda Sanchalan. Skanda Sanchalan. Let us start Skanda Sanchalan. Shoulders. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Now next, shoulder rotation clockwise. Anti-clockwise. up, down, up, down. Now shoulders and hand rotation. Reverse. Stretch your fingers. Stretch. Now throwing of ball. Throwing of ball. Now hand rotation. Clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Repeat this 8 times, 10 times, whatever you like. Stand straight. Lock your fingers. Pull, pull down. Stretch. Now elbow movement. Reverse. Neck. Now waist. Now anti-clockwise. Okay. Next is leg lifting. Your hands are parallel to the ground. Then lift your right leg and touch the fingers. Left hand. Now knee bend. Knee bending. Next is sitting on a chair. Next is sitting on a chair. Now next, toe and heels up and down. Toe and heels up, down, this way. Now rope skipping. Assume that you have got rope in your hand and full circle. Do it 10 to 100 times, depending upon your capacity. This is rope skipping. Okay, you can repeat it at any time. Now we will go to Sukshma Vyayam in sitting posture. Toe bending. Ankle bending. Ankle rotation. Anti-clockwise. Movement of leg. Same thing with left leg. Now cycling. Full circle, reverse, आटा चक्कर. Reverse. You can do it with one leg. With another leg. Now with both legs. Anti-clockwise. Release and relax. If you like my concept, please do subscribe to this channel and share the link in your groups. Press like button, push bell icon so that you will get notification of latest videos. Motivate me in my endeavor. We do lots of research, practice, devotion for each video. We'll meet you in another video as part 14, Surya Namaskar, the sun salutation. That is exercises from head to toe, including toes, including eyes. If you are not subscribed till now, just click on subscribe button as your contribution to promote yoga. It is going to be very informative and useful. आपका प्यार ही सर्वोपरि है. हरिओम. Have a good day.